Hello. Hey everyone. Okay, so today is the best highlighters. So a category that I like because these are multi-use. I like to use them on the eyes as well as the cheeks. So you've got, that sort of continuity on the face. So let's make a start. How pretty is that? That is really pretty. That is Pat McGrath and it's divine. For slightly lighter touches, we've got Hourglass here. This is one of their palette ones, but it's really beautiful. They're the ambient lighting powders and they're just divine. This is lovely by a company called Tula. They're really pretty, beautiful, gorgeous highlighters. I love, love, love things in stick format. Charlotte Tilbury Light Wand, really good. I'm a big fan. I know that a lot of people have ripped these off, but I really like them. This is great. You get a lot here. This is Vive, and this is a great product. A liquid highlighter, really, really good. Patrick Tar here. Oh, look how pretty that is. I hate the names that he gives things. She gives me life. All right, calm down, God's sake. But really pretty. Look at this. This is like a dirty, sticky mess of a product that looks absolutely gorgeous on the body, or if you're really, really light-handed, on the face. So really, really like it. This is so lovely. This is by Hindash and it is so pretty. It's such a multi-use product. You can use it on your eyes, your cheeks, you can blend it with things. He's such a lovely boy. He really is such a gentleman. Pat McGrath here again. Look at that. Really, really pretty. That's a really pretty eyeshadow. Rare Beauty. Don't know what to make of the packaging of these, but there's a lot of product in here. I like mixing this with like a liquid blusher and you get a really pretty finish. Some people think this is a piece of shit. I think it is the most beautiful thing ever. It's really quite subtle. It is by Clé de Peau and it is gorgeous. I just wish they wouldn't bother. Like, no one cares about the brush. Just reduce it in size, reduce the cost, or make it big. But it's beautiful. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look how pretty that is, by the way. I just want to say something about Anastasia Beverly Hills. They are a really nice company. They've always been really kind to me. When I started my makeup line, before I couldn't afford to continue it because the orders were mental, Norvina reached out to me and said, if you need any help, and who does that, right? It was such a nice thing to do. The makeup line is coming back, by the way. I've got help now, but it was a nightmare. Honestly, it was so, I was getting invoices that were millions of pounds. I was like, I can't cope with that. I can't do that. Look, not living in a mansion. Okay, this is beautiful little highlighter by Milk. Really pretty. Just so bloody small, but you actually get a similar amount of product to, where is it? There's one in here. I can't find it. If I can find it, I'll show you. I love this one. So this is Holy Grail for me, Victoria Beckham. There's only a couple of shades, but it's so pretty. It isn't overly like shimmery or glittery. So I just love it. That's not one, that's in the wrong part. This is nice. It's a highlighter, but it isn't. It is the Soft Sculpt Skin Enhancer. And this is by Makeup by Mario. And it's lovely. I wish that Mario had just used his full name. I kind of think that's a much nicer name than Makeup by Mario. Joan Rhodes, again, Miracle Balm. Some love it, some don't. I think it's really good. I really like it. You also get like 14 years worth of product in here. Natasha Denona, this is that absolutely mental highlighter. Works great as an eyeshadow, by the way. It is the Hygiene highlighter. So it's really, really quite good. We've got the lovely Charlotte Tilbury here. So she's got a whole range of gorgeous highlighters for you to peruse over. This is a liquid one from Westman Atelier. It's really, really nice. It comes in a dropper. It's a little oil-based and it has a bit of an oil smell to it, like, oh, kind of smell. So bear that in mind. Another one from Westman Atelier. Again, pain the tits to open, but like a cream to powder formula. Again, costs an absolute age. It's so expensive. This is lovely by Danessa Myricks, by the way. She needs more love than she gets, but it's really pretty. I've just seen Danessa Myricks' eyeshadow palette and it's like $150 for, I was like, okay, Yeah, that seems perfectly fine. So this one here, oh, look at that. It now actually looks like a toilet seat, like a proper toilet seat. This one's clearly broken, and anyway, there you go. So Lovely by Rose Inc. Lovely if you're looking for a toilet seat or, you know, a mirror that comes off, then this is one for you. But the formula inside is really nice. Pat McGrath again. It's just, they're so pretty. They really are divine. Let me just get in there. Last two, one massive one by Charlotte Tilbury. That's a big one, isn't it? I always think when highlighters are this size, I always think, come on, it's a highlighter, unless you are quite literally painting it on your body. And finally, again, a beautiful stick one. Look at that color, by the way. This color is called Hey Honey, and it's by Nude Sticks. That is a great color. On deeper skin tones, it runs too dark for light skin, but on deeper skin tones, God, this is such a beautiful color. I don't know if you can see that on the back of my hand. See how dark it goes? See how bright it is in the light? Then you turn, see how dark that goes? So that's the thing with highlighters. They always remain in the light, otherwise they go darker. But that is the favorite highlighters of 2024. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.